The 2025 Mercedes-AMG E63's details are yet to be officially revealed. However, by studying its recently unveiled sibling, the 2025 E53 and past E63 models, we can anticipate a high-performance sedan with a potentially innovative powertrain. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. Today, we're taking a peek under the hood of the highly anticipated 2025 Mercedes-AMG E63. Stay tuned. The E63 reigns supreme as the top dog in the Mercedes-AMG class lineup. This high-performance sedan is known for its perfect blend of luxury, everyday practicality. The big question on everyone's mind: what will power this beast in 2025? Mercedes hasn't revealed the official price yet, but considering the E53 starts at $103,500, expect the E63 to come in significantly higher, likely exceeding the $120,000 mark. Although details are limited, the E63 will retain the current E-Class's sleek and elegant lines with some signature AMG touches for a more aggressive look. Imagine a revised front fascia with a bolder grille, larger air intakes for better breathing, and sportier bumpers. New AMG wheels and those iconic quad exhaust pipes in the back will solidify its performance credentials. Here's where things get exciting. Unlike previous E63 models boasting monstrous V8 engines, the 2025 version is rumored to embrace a high-performance plug-in hybrid powertrain. While details remain unconfirmed, whispers suggest a powerful turbocharged gasoline engine working in harmony with a potent electric motor. This electrifying combo could generate a combined output exceeding 600 horsepower. Imagine neck-snapping acceleration with the added benefit of being able to drive short distances on pure electric power. Expect a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' sophisticated all-wheel drive system to handle all that power. The interior is expected to be a luxurious haven, mirroring the standard E-Class with a focus on comfort, cutting-edge technology, and keeping the driver engaged. High-quality materials like leather and Alcantara will be complemented by MG sport seats and carbon fiber accents, creating a sporty and sophisticated ambience. The latest Mercedes-Benz user experience infotainment system will likely be standard, featuring a large touchscreen, voice control, and a digital instrument cluster. This system will offer advanced navigation, all the latest connectivity features, and keep you informed behind the wheel. Mercedes-Benz is a leader in safety innovation, and the E63 is expected to be loaded with the latest driver assistance technologies. This might include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a whole lot more to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. So, what do you think? Let us know in the comments below what you think about this 2025 Mercedes-AMG E63. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content here at NamCar channel. Thanks for watching.